Hey folks, did you know Baker Creek's got a pot garden? Come on in, let's take a look.
Oh, looky at what we've got here.
Check out this awesome pot garden. Did you know you can grow just about anything in a clay terracotta pot? Oh, check out this old Tokyo Kamatsuna. Just growing magnificent in a terracotta pot. Have you been familiarized with why terracotta? It's clay, it's been baked, it's high frequency, super porous. So porous for the water, porous for the roots. She actually excretes and holds minerals, holds a high vibration and a high frequency from the baking of this clay. The roots and the plants just love terracotta pots.
Oh, I'm just in love with terracotta. I always have been.
She's our only option, guys, to get away from plastic. She's an ancient wonder that's just been a little bit forgotten, a little bit lost, because of the plasticoids just pelting the earth. Maybe you live in the city. I'm sure you've got a balcony, maybe an apartment. You too could be an extraordinary gardener with one seed, one terracotta pot. Check out this beautiful Persian buttercup.